Now in this video we will change WordPress address and site address. So back to htdoc directory, right click on this and click on rename, and we will change it to CodePy. And now if I refresh it, our website would not found. If I change it to CodePy, then our website will show, but there will be missing library, so we would set it from the database. So I will click on the XAMPP control panel, and from here I will click on that admin button, and from here we will click on that MySQL database, and we will not change the MySQL database name, we will only change the site address and WordPress address. So from here we will click on that WP option, and here instead of that my site I will change it to CodePy. So double click on it and change it to CodePy, and also from there I would change it to CodePy, and now our website would work like before. Now if I refresh that page, it would work perfectly like before, and this is our website. And from the next section we would start with Elementor. We would build and design pages, post, header and templates along with some other things and along with some layouts. So this is all about how we can change WordPress address and site address without losing data.